Oh, good shit, Eggman. You were really good, Eggman. Alright, cream LMS. Oh, this is not gonna end well. Cream, do not abuse. Why are you abusing the spring? Oh, we did ask. Is this actual cream LMS energy? Cream, why are you abusing the spring? Be a real man. Yo, Legacy Furnace does not build for this motherfucker's cream LMS. Yo, Cream! Cream is winning. Yeah, you wanna know why? Legacy Furnace, lock in, boy. This is why you're scrapped. This is one of the worst things I've ever done. I didn't even get all the dodges out! Cream.lms, stop! No! Why do you like this Cream.lms? What the fuck? What? What did you say, Cream.lms? Cream.lms, you better not be talking that shit, Cream.lms. Yo, bro, say hi? You know what? Hi, Cream.lms. Cream.lms, can you stop abusing me for 2 seconds? Cream.lms, you Cream.lms, please! Cream.lms! No! Cream.lms, please! I'm getting looped on a fucking spring. Cream.lms, please! Please, Cream.lms! Yo, no! Cream.lms, please! Cream.lms, why? Invisible barrier? Invisible barrier! Cream.lms! I'm in the middle of class. I'm sorry. Too slow, faker. You're not even. I'm not even your faker. Yo, why is streaming actually fun? Hold on. I might play more. Someone clip that. You know, I already got clipped, bro. You know, I already got clipped. Hold on. I gotta get my charger. She broke my audio? Yeah, I was getting something. My bad. Oh, did someone donate? I regret to inform everyone my keyboard wasn't working. Romeo knew I'd fry him and he hacked my keyboard. Yeah, man. Oh shit, I just dropped my water bottle. Yeah, man, whatever you say, bruv. Whatever you say, bruv.